Hello everyone, it's Amy and welcome back for another Market Monday. Today I have a craft outlet kit. So this kit is all new craft items and it is $20. There are 12 items in the kit and the $20 does include the shipping. So it's $20 in total. So we've got some stamps and stickers and that type of thing. Here we have this stamp from Carabelle Studios. It's one cling stamp. And that is what it looks like. It's a rubber cling, and it's the parentheses there. I really do like that one. I use that one quite often. And then we have this Studio 12 dimensional stickers. There are 12 stickers, and they are popped up. And so that's what those look like. And then we have these decorative tags. By P13, there's 9 pieces, and it shows that there are 4 that are 33 millimeters, 3 that are 45 millimeters, and 2 that are 60 millimeters. And that's what those look like. We have some Heidi Swapp label stickers with glitter on each one. There are 11 pieces in that. We have 40 little bows. I think these are a lovely color, and they have a little pearl sewn into the middle of them. So there's a packet of those. There is one wooden stamp, and it says admission 35 cents, good only on the day of sale, with a number on the end. So we've got that, and it looks like that. And then we have, these are borders, and these are, from what I was looking at, says it has 2 reusable templates on it. I personally would use it as a stencil or as something to poke holes in paper so that I can sew through them, or you know, just use them as a border, like to draw on them. But here it says it's a jewel template. And so, you know, I don't do the jewel thing because to me, wow, if you do that, you have a lot of patience, because to me it's like, it's just so much, you know. I have journals that may take me a year to make, but I always feel accomplished when I finish a page or finish some tags, or, you know, and boy, those jewel things are, you know, like it's kind of like paint by number. It's so detailed and so busy that I don't do that. But if you do that, this would be good for that. And if you don't, you can still use it as a stencil, or, you know, again, like as a hole punch to make punched decorations. So, and then I have the Studio 112 epoxy stickers. So these are kind of, they're a little bit kind of, look like glassy on the top. But, and there are 31 stickers here. And probably the light's not going to let you be able to see them very well, but that's what is there. And again, like I said, they're like, this says they're epoxy. They're raised up a little bit and shiny. There are these paper die-cut garland. So this, it's called Stitched with Love. There's 15 pieces. And this is what it looks like. The fronts have little decorations or words on them, and the backs are like calico, and it looks like those are dots. So there are those. It says it's garland, but I don't know. It doesn't feel like that there is string included in there. And then these are stickers to match. So again, that's P13, and these stickers look a lot like this garland. They're like out of the same, yeah, Stitched with Love, out of the same set. And then we have this Mink tracing template, and this is the alphabet and the numbers. This is, I would use it as a stencil, but it is very heavy, so I would use it like as a spray through stencil. It would be hard to use your sponge to push down through there. But a stippling brush probably would fit. But so there is one tracing template there. And then there are these papers, and I did have to fold the top of all of these to fit them in the bags. There are 12 designer prints, and this is, does it say what the weight is? It does not say what weight the cardstock is. I am going to open this one because I haven't looked at them yet. So it's cardstock. It's a pretty heavy cardstock. So we've got the one that says pretty and then brilliant. And these are 8.5 by 11. Be happy, be bright, be you. They're white on the back. Be beautiful. When you love what you have everything that you need. I like that. Choose happy. Love it. Let's do this. So fancy. Now, I actually thought that there was two of different You Are Loved. Hello. And Ciao Baby. So there are, did it say 12? I think it was 12. Oh yes, it shows all 12 of them right there. On the front it only shows 6, so I thought it was 2 of each. So those are AC details, and there are 12 designer prints in there. So this is what's going to be in the kit. And if you are interested in the kit, my email address will be below. Just send me an email and let me know that you are interested. I will let you know if there is still a kit left, and then you can pay at that time. I do ask that you pay as quickly as possible so that if something happens and I do have to pass it on to someone else, if you've decided against it or something, I will know that, you know, like earlier than later. So that's what's in the kit. It's $20. That does include the shipping. Thank you very much for stopping by. I really do appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.